nursery and primary school. Today I am present biography of my mother. She was
Name.
Her name is Asha Begum. She was born on 14 April 1986 in Tindigal, Tamil Nadu. She went to the government school of Tindigal, 10th standard. She liked tailoring. She lives with his husband and me. She really good at cooking. I learned from her. Be a good person and be a straightforward and help others.
Very good.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum salam.